The purpose of this PowerPoint is to walk you through the web pages you will encounter when logging in or creating a JCW account. First, go to jobcenterofwisconsin.com. To register, you will need a Social Security number, date of birth, a valid email address, names and addresses of your employers for the past 10 years, names of schools you attended, and degrees you received. You will also need a professional summary, which briefly summarizes your experience and highlights your background. It is helpful if you gather this information before you start the process. This is the JCW homepage. The Login and Create a Login options are at the top right-hand corner of the page. When the login icon is selected, this page will ask for the username and password. If you have a valid username and password, the page will indicate you have successfully logged in and your name will appear at the top of the page. If you need to create an account, this is the first page you will see. You will need to enter information into each section in order to proceed to the next step. Please note there's an option for Spanish in the top right-hand corner. An email confirmation will be sent to the email you entered on the previous page. When you access your email, the message will include a link which you need to click on in order to confirm the registration. Once the link is clicked, you will receive an alert that it is being activated. This may take around 15 seconds. Once activated, you will be notified that the logon has been created. You can now return to jobcenterofwisconsin.com and log in. The page will indicate that you have successfully logged in and your name will appear at the top of the page. If you want to see the progress of your registration, you can hover the cursor over the Job Seekers tab and select My JCW. This page allows you to see what steps are needed to complete JCW registration. A red X indicates the action needs to be completed. A green check mark indicates the action has been completed. You must have all green checks to satisfy the requirements for unemployment eligibility. There are 5 steps to complete the registration for services. Number 1 is verification. Please note sections with a red asterisk need to be completed. The other sections are optional. Number 2 is contact information. Number 3, status. Number 4, profile. And number 5 is confirmation. Once the registration is complete, you will be given the option to create a resume. Please note this is a requirement for unemployment. Again, you can hover the cursor over the Job Seekers tab and select Create, Edit, Resume. This page provides you with information about creating and/or uploading a resume and tips for creating a new resume. There are 5 steps to complete the resume. The first is contact. Remember, sections with an asterisk need to be completed. The second section is job profile. You will be asked to add a job category. You are now going to enter a job title. Click Search and then click Please select a category for occupation options. You're then going to select an occupation that best matches your work history. Finally, you're going to select years of experience. After the information is entered, the skills matching software shows the skills match results. You will see occupations that align with the knowledge, transferable skills, and abilities from your previous work experience. The third section is job history. You're going to select Add Job. You're going to enter the name of the employer, the position title, click Search. Then you're going to click Category and select an occupation that best matches your work history. Then job descriptions will appear that reflect job duties of that occupation. You can click on the boxes of the job duties that describe your work experience. Job duties that were clicked appear in the Duties and Responsibilities section. Now you're going to enter start and end dates for the employment and click Add. This page is a snapshot of the information that was entered in the Job History section. You can enter additional jobs by clicking the Add Job History button. The fourth section is education. You can enter additional education information by clicking the Add Education History button. The fifth section is availability. You can enter information which will be used to let employers know your availability and your preferred work schedule. Sections with an asterisk need to be completed. Finally, it's the Finish and Activate. If you've completed all the required sections and have entered all the information, you can click Yes to proceed. Finish and Activate. You can choose to have your resume matched with employers' job descriptions for compatibility. You can upload your own resume, and you can choose which resume will be visible to the employers. This page will appear if you have entered all the required information and completed the resume. If you want to view your progress, remember you can hover the cursor over the Job Seekers tab and select My JCW. An alert message indicates the action that needs to be completed. For example, you did not enter your Social Security number during the registration process. Remember that will need to be entered if you file for unemployment benefits. A green check mark indicates the action has been completed.